Yes, we're there in the streets. One way. I make one quick tour. Big up on yourself, you know. You know the thing said. We are going to tour up Utica Avenue, you know, and you know, yeah, the settings. So you want you to big up yourself and slap up your like and do so. Ropes and share. Ropes. Subscribe. Join the family, you know, man. A team work make the dream work, you know, man. Alright. I'm going out of the place as I know. At the famous Utica Avenue this. Okay. And this them said the dollar van them run pan. Okay. So I guess a beer hustlers they run here. Okay, I see. See one of the dollar van them there. Jesus have mercy, that's true. Money I run a foreign. What? What foreign up, man? Yes, brother. In a real life. Alright, you get a light forward now. You see what I'm going up the road there. Now, the thing is now still more see if I can find one place to buy some good jerk chicken. I want one steam snapper or something like that, you know I go. So, right now, hello. Yeah, I'll come and get you right now. Alright. Oh, Utica Avenue lit. A beer thing. Yes, my people. Brooklyn turn up, man. What them act like say Brooklyn is nice? Or some people talk like say Florida alone I think there. Brooklyn nice, bro. You shopping both sides of the streets, brother. Oh, some money I run around here then. Yo! You can shop both sides of the street, you walk on, brother. Store there everywhere from. Some money no must run, dog. Wow. All of my people them go up at embassy right now. Join the line, join the line. We no fit there. One of the best tourists. People we are tour like Vibes Cartel right now. You see it. We're on tour right now. The famous peppers. What? Out there so the steppers them go buy them food for consume. Yeah, pretty woman up on the street. Whoa. It is an amazing view. New towers on top of towers on top of towers. Island burger. So them have some island burger over there. That I go on. One big rooster over there, so. Oh, I go on. Okay. I guess I them butcher shop that or something like that, my G. I didn't KFC this. Wonder if them KFC nice like our KFC a yard. We go try it out. Still. See them have chicken and waffles. But them know say man a pass around here frost one way and would have all the munchies in a charge of that me a talk about. Yeah. Place look active and weird though. Look like one place where money can run, you know. Money can run, dog, and that you have to pray, see it. The future look bright when you look upon the things, dog. You say, yo, this look like a place where money can run, my G, you see me? Yeah, man. Now they say something there, man. Taco zone that. Okay, Mexican store. Mexican restaurant. You go try out some Mexican taco bell. That's a taco bell. Mexican taco. You see me people? We have to turn up the channel, you know, one way. Yeah. So, this is what I do right now, my people. I want to share my experiences here. So, don't feel no way when you see me post them videos. I want to just support them here. Just roll with it. Yeah, man. Burger King, Popeyes, Word, and cinnamon bun places, everything in one little spot, brother. All City Grill. And then the next side they have Dunkin' Donuts, Buffalo Wings, all kinds of shit. Alright, man, I tell you, bro. Chicken spot on top of chicken spot. One the right side of Popeyes. Dollar van line up, so I just saw the bus stop. Okay, my people. May I see what I go on now, so I just saw the bus stop right there, so. Eastern Parkway and Utica. So, may I see what I go on in the place, you see it? Eastern Parkway. Okay. Famous Eastern Parkway charge parade. So this here is safe to say SJ have to bring the TV on the parade. As I'm telling you, so I share my experiences, you know. So, share them as they come along.